out of your vehicle. And that me say dog shit. Can you must think me a idiot? Let me out of your vehicle. Me not like you carry on. Let me out your vehicle.
Blood.
Me say, let me out of your vehicle, dog shit. Go on, come out.
Mine, I get right.
Dog shit, let me out of
You know that girl, the money.
Yeah, man, me see him somewhere already. Let me see him.
Money, you know, see, are you that man?
Me? Oh.
Are you that man? A 3 week but
Me?
Yeah, are you Bunny? Are you Bunny?
The 13 of March, you know, 13 of March that the girl is born. He say, we love fuck, man. And he say, when you're foreign, you don't get no fuck.
Yeah.
You know, so when me usually work at Holiday, I work at Holiday Hotel, you know, me usually there with Sharon, with the Kiran, you know, Kiran
Yeah.
and my son, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kiran and my son, but me usually there with Sharon usually fuck too hard. And the first time I breathe Sharon come back and fuck and I sink it 13 in the air and he lose the picnic.
Every day I keep.
13, man. The time when Kirana come now,
Yeah.
run we go there with missing.
See, yeah.
You know what?
You know what? Kill him again.
Yeah.
Hello, we are taking the plane. All you hear is. Toss the wall, sit down! Talk about hijack, you mad!
If I one thing me glad, so I'm glad me left high school before the corona thing come in, cause the vibes were there on the campus. You can't find that on a Zoom class. If me did a Zoom class in a high school, one thing would I miss the most at the roast session them. I remember one lunchtime, this youth when him Space Bar, the man a roast me say my nose look like one of them. Yeah. The reason why them call him Space Bar because I have one of the big SpongeBob got them in my mouth, you know, so you know me did have to pressure him about that. The first thing me tell him say, me I say, brother, your teeth them look like it giant part program. I know say I could have done it there, so me have to tell the man say, brother, with that space there in your mouth, you can't drink liquor, you're that drunk quick. Me I say, brother, mind somebody drop $20 through your teeth and take your banana chips out of your hand. You know see when you smile, you look like a vending machine. Me did have to finish the match with a 2-in-1 special. Me tell the man say, brother, when you are eat is a mega bite you take, and by the way, when you clean your mouth, you can skin your teeth and still brush your tongue. And the biggest forward that me ever get in my No, Miss Dinah, the food already. You want a little pot water in the meantime? Me say you want a little pot water in the meantime, Miss Dinah. I say take out piece of the dumpling out of a George plate and put in a Peter plate, because Peter very full. Take it out of George plate and put it yard for one shed pan and carry it in back. Go buy yard for one shed pan. Go buy yard for one shed pan. Me put some in the back round so. Oh, you so dafting. Me tell you say Mass Hagston and you no pork. Take it pork out of Mass Hagston plate. Take it out. Lad. See Minel and he wanga got gingeration them come hide the food. Yes, Miss Minel. No food no left. Sorry, your food done. Hide the food. No pasta. Pasta your own glass so that cause it's true. Anyway, much dumpling you want? You can get 10 dumpling no pasta. Pasta. Munchy. Get a little food, you go pat top yard. Go hide it underneath the buffet. Beside the whatnot. Underneath the Bible. Go hide it underneath the Bible. Take it.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
I'm helping.
I'm the leader of a bike club,
All right.
and I want to stretch my team out. So I'm trying to get some knee pads, some helmets. I want to protect our heads. Because, you know, on the weekends, I like to ride hard with my buddies.
No, well on there, brother. What you just say, right together? Yo, Mark. Yo. Man saying fuck man to bumbo clad.
Where'd you get that from?
Brother, you know, just say right together with your buddies.
Yeah, me and my buddies. We ride bike, helmets, protection.
Yeah, man, sardine. Dirty man say. Dirty boy that man. Yeah, man, dirty boy for true. Hey boy, you have to move your bumbo clad, you know. We sell a bike for drive. We can't help you drive, man, bike. You see?
Oh, I'm trying to get a...
Here when me I send a fish stick. You have to go next door, you know, brother. You're shellfish. You give people allergies. A safari, that? Yeah, man, a safari. Tiger fish. You still there, me say we cannot help you, catfish. Swordfish. Hockey and saltfish.
Suck your mother!
Caribbean parents always want you to fix your face after they beat your ass. Mustn't talk when they talk here. You must listen. Fix your face, smile. Want one more? Smile better than though.
Hey Derek, did your mom have a guy spend the night here last night? Yeah, she did, and she doesn't know how to treat her company because I think she stole something from him, because in the middle of the night I hear him yelling, "Give it to me, give it to me." And then he's like, "Whose is it? Whose is it?" And she's like, "It's yours, it's yours." And so finally I just opened the door because I couldn't sleep, and I said, "Mom, if it's his and he wants it so bad, just give it back to him." Trying to sleep and all I can hear is him yelling about the stuff you took. Don't be mad at him, Mom's the one who stole his stuff.
Touch a small girl, show me love. Rule we not feel. Tell them we not fail. Young we forgot jail. Cock up your bumpers, don't panic. Tell your pum pum good on your face. We give you everything whether in my wallet and in my pocket. Woman I feel love me style, love me style. Let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, baby me love you. Believe me. Push it up and make you feel it. Bend over, receive me. But me no carry feelings. Me carry me gun them. Me carry me gun them. Me no carry feelings. That popcorn are the only man she want. The only man she want. Yeah. I don't beg for no. Weed is my best friend. Now we still a win. Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win.
Get in there and get my kitchen clean now!
You gotta do the dishes when I had none of this.
Who's you yelling at?
Nobody.
That's what I'm doing. Clean my kitchen.
What about them?
I'ma whoop everybody ass if my kitchen don't get clean.
Where's the move of my own?
Make me come in there and keep talking.
You shall fucking for your boy. You come in the shower. Buzz this thing, boy. Hey, yo, ease up. Your boy, Nick here. Let me tell you something. This donkey, you sell this donkey.
You buy him, you fucking buy him.
Me want to know, all the aim you aim.
Boy, you buy
all the aim you aim.
Go, move it, daddy.
All the aim you aim.
Move the fucking
Jacko, now do nothing. All the aim you aim. Hey, your boy. Hey, no put up on me. Let me tell you. Man, you don't get that bus. Anyone else why you?
The boy, you can't move the shot. You kill you. You kill you. The boy, you can't come in to kill the fucking boy.
You kill you.
The boy, this is for you.
You don't sell this donkey, right?
You buy him.
And you had the heart to come and own this donkey.
How the fuck you get you?
Because the man who take
Chief.
Me want to know.
Yeah, me get the job in my restaurant, you know. Yeah, man, today my first day down there cook.
Cook your pussy, wall. I don't know me even trust if you have to put a bag no go for me about buckler, boy, you cook. Cook your pussy, clad. Not even sure if you can mix, boy. That's somebody that eat that we have to pay for cook. Buckler, I want to see if you bend on and shove across your hands. You can't cook out chuck it.
You're...
I hold him up.
You shot.
Roman Racer gone up, the price gone up. So all who love Roman Racer, the price gone up.
See there? Them give me the work for the garbage truck now, people. But they're going to show them how to pack the truck. Because them now pack it right, you know. And you come, you have them curfew hours they not going to work. Up in the truck, my general. A COVID vaccine plan they want to have. Show you up in the truck, and nobody not take that. Flu Wi-Fi wanna fix on 1969. Come on, up in the truck, me can't mother who don't know. Too much. Party stop by now. Come on, show the price that up in the truck. It can't work. Silent, that seat they are 15 on my general. And up in the truck, me G. Squad you could I dare make the truck go left for me G. Want to see it up there wait for you or your tongue. Footer man, nobody give me no problem, Footer. Come man, come. Hold a seat, me general. For your one up there. Wait for you long. I'm a first day upon the work, man, and nobody give me no problem. Yeah. Yeah, man, I feel good now. Feel nice. Little garbage I get clean up off of the streets, you know? People, I know if you throw up a vice on the truck, too. I mean, I know.
No, coulda. Don't stop.
6 kilo, that's just it. RDX, for the girl then. Every guy. Turn around.
him come over to
Fucking on here. Thinking drunk.
I come from YouTube over Ellen Shaw. Then get food.
Sir, you don't come from planet Earth. Me can't come to here and you in such a pretty car and I have $20. You don't come from planet Earth. What a bomb buckler.
Yo, I wish when I wanna drink my apple juice, dad. Rasta man never snitching us, I don't know. Yo, me no know, you know, me just come and start playing my PS4, dog. Oh, so my juice done and nobody don't know who drink it. Alright. Who drink my buckler juice? Ras, him gone big. Yo, my friend, not him drink it. Dog, you're big in farm, you know, dog. Yo, dog, sorry, dog, me drink it, my youth. Yeah, man, that's why I put my balls on the tip. That's why that taste up on my mouth. Hey, boy, you have balls mouth. You're not getting none of my spliff. Lift up.
This boy gonna say, let me check your DM. Let me check your text messages. Let me check your bank account. Oh, now I'm doing too much. Now it looks like you ain't getting paid enough. Next time, mind your business, broke ass.
The blood clot thief light. I got thief me a thief light. The JPS run them wire through me yard. Them light wire over my house. I take me light. So what thief me a thief is the wire supposed to run on the road then. But as long as I run through your property, you're legal to get your free fucking light. And then you know that. A serious thing. Thief light.
That's when I'm virgin go and check you, see?
Check who? Me not did that again.
When others go back home to visit their parents.
My baby! Come, give me a hug, give me a hug!
When Jamaicans go back home to visit their parents.
How you look so? How me look? You get fat. You cut your hair. You're not going to reach anywhere in life looking like that, you know. Mommy, you're not glad to see me? No, me glad to see you. Me just asking is what really happened.